Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will learn how to troubleshoot SQL patching issues in SQL Server. Patching is, as you know, is usual task of DBA. When it fails, you should know how to troubleshoot these issues and what logs to collect, right? So in this session, I will quickly introduce you these points. So first, I have this SQL Server and as you can see it is 2022, right? And then I want to install the patch, this kb 500 something. Okay, for this I will just run as administrator. It is a usual procedure. Okay, let me start patching. Okay, so after that, as you can see, there will be a SQL Server installer wizard will start. Okay, so next I will click accept, and select all and click next, and update. Okay, so let's wait a little until this update finishes. As you can see, my SQL Server patch installation failed, and so this is our issue. So how to troubleshoot? So first of all, I will pay attention to error details. Error install in SQL Server Database Engine features, engine data directory in registry is not valid. So I can search easily with Google, right? But let me introduce you more steps. Okay, if you face this issue, then where you can get further logs, right? For this, you can click on this. I will just quickly copy this path, right? This path. Let me copy that a little bit. This is like I think you cannot copy that maybe. Okay, let me go there. Okay, C disk, right? Then program files. Then what else? Okay, Microsoft SQL Server to then 160. Yeah, 160. Then you will click on Setup Bootstrap. Then click on Log. Okay, so this Setup Bootstrap is the place where you can find all the patching logs. Okay, so first I will pay attention to summary. Always, this is summary. It is always updated when you do patching. Okay, click on summary first, and in this summary you can see the patch installer has failed to update following instance MS SQL Server. Okay, so patching date and time, right? And then your current SQL Server, and it is a version of current SQL Server. Okay, whether it's clustered, no clustered, right? And the language is English 130, database engine and replication feature. And then this is machine name, you can see. So different details you can find, right? Then if you a little go down, you will see package properties. This is a patch, current SQL Server patch, and which KB article I'm going to install. Okay, this one I'm going to install, and this is JDR, and this is my patch. Okay, so this is all information what you are going to do, what you have done until now, right? Okay, now if you a little go down, you can see further information, but no logs of error, right? There is no any further information. There's only some information about some metadata and about the failure. That's all. Okay, in the summary. Okay, what is the next? So I will just minimize this one and go to the latest folder. Okay, so you can see the names of the folders, right? All the names, these folders are generated when you run patching. So my latest patch is this one. Okay, you can see 2025, right? October 19, and at this timestamp. Okay, so I will click on this. Okay, in this here also you can see summary again. You should go to summary. Okay, I clicked on summary. Let me go down. What's happening? I'm not finding anything. It is nearly the same with the summary which we saw, right? Okay. Then what else I can see? I can see here some system configuration check report, right? If you click on it, let me show you what does it mean. It is like pre-check. Okay, there might be sometimes errors. You can see past, right? Different checks passed. So there is no problem with the checking. Okay, there is no problem. So next, what else? I will go to detail. Okay, just I want to introduce one more thing. Okay, detail is very much detailed populated logs. Okay, this is just summary, and this is populated log. Before going here, I will also click on my this MS SQL Server, my instance name folder. Click on it, and you will see again further details. Okay, it is more. It is the logs more related to your instance. Okay, it can this if you enter this folder, okay, MS SQL Server, your instance name folder, you will see more detailed logs. So if you click on summary one more time, right, inside this, then it can give us these logs. See, it is detailed results. Now we are getting some data, right? So feature, right? Feature. What is this feature? Database engine feature, right? And it failed. What is this feature? It is replication. It also failed. Okay, an error occurred during setup. So following information, something, and error description. This is the most important one. Database engine system data directory in the registry is not valid. Okay, got it. So I can just search this error and try to understand this error in Google, for example, or I can go deep more I can go more deeper. Okay, so okay, I have this one. Okay, I have initial findings. I have this. So let me go deeper. So summary, then I will go to more detailed logs. Let me open it. Double click. Opened. Okay, so you can see this is all the steps of patching, right? All the steps. It's very much detailed logs. Okay. So what I will pay attention in this log is first I'll go to any error log location. If you a little go down, you can see usual one, right? Loading, down, something. It's all like very much detailed log. Okay. There are noise here, so I will go deeper, a little bit more deeper, and try to find any error, any unusual point. Okay, this is also running, it's also fine, right? If you a little go down, go down, go down, go down, yeah, okay, no problem until here. Nearly the same logs. I'm not seeing any error, right? Any error I'm not seeing. Okay, okay. Here is a little bit difference in the logs, but it is not any error. Okay, it's also okay for me. It's also okay. So I go down, more down, right? And so here we go. Here we go. So SQL engine, right? Here you can see error code, right? Okay. So and a message. The same message. Database engine system data directory in the registry is not valid. Okay. So what I, let's a little bit investigate a little bit logs before that. In exceptions, there are some things. Yeah. What we were doing at that time, right? First, you can see merge directory, SQL engine setup private, performing patch validation, right? Then SQL engine setup private, validating paths. F program files, Microsoft SQL Server, something, right? Validating. We were validating this path. Then configuration action failed for featured SQL engine. Or have a look at this. So before this error, we were validating the path, this path, F, program files, Microsoft SQL Server. Then this error is coming. Now I understood why this error is coming. So while validating this path, validation failed, right? So let me try to check what is this path, whether this path exists or not, right? So I go to here and go to, oh, I don't have this F disk. I don't have this F disk. Look, path, I don't have this. So this is the issue, right? This is the issue. The database in your system data directory is not valid. So this path is not valid. And this path is located in the registry. Okay. So what kind of registry it is? So for this, you should understand that all the paths of SQL Server are located in the registry. Let me show you. Registry. You just type registry editor, click on it. Then you will click on HK local machine, software, Microsoft, because SQL Server belongs to Microsoft, Microsoft SQL Server, okay, and here choose your SQL Server instance name, expand it, and click on Setup, okay. In the setup, all the locations, I mean passes are given. For example, bin root, data root, SQL pass, right? All of them are given. And you can see it is C disk, C disk. Here we go. SQL data root is F. This one. It is the same here. It is the same. F validating F, and it is failing. Okay. So actually, after checking, I found out that this path should be C disk, because if I go to C disk, right? Let me go to program files, program Microsoft SQL Server, and SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL, yeah, MS SQL, right? And bin. Okay, so this path located in C disk, but for some reason, maybe someone changed, or it was when it was created, there was a F disk before, right? There might be many causes why it became like that, but we cannot identify. Okay, we can only identify the result. Okay, why it became, we cannot, because there is no any log about who changed this, why it has become F disk. Okay, so to fix this issue, I will double click on this and fix this one. Make it C disk, C, and click OK. Then you can see it has been fixed. Okay, now what I will do is I will just click close and reinstall. Okay, after reinstalling, I have succeeded. Okay, so in this way we troubleshoot different kind of patching issues. Okay, the most important thing, I will repeat again, be sure that you know bootstrap location. Okay, bootstrap, here, setup bootstrap, all the logs are located in this bootstrap location. Okay, and look at the summary, go inside, look at the summary detailed, right? And go inside MS SQL Server and try to summary and detail. So by looking at this detail, try to find error, keywords of error. For example, here I paid attention to keyword, right? Error code or something, and try to understand before this error what we were doing, right? We were validating the path and it failed. Okay. In this way, we troubleshoot different patching issues. I hope that you found this session useful. Thank you.